Oh, hey everybody! Look who's joined us.
Huh?
It's everybody on Nana Puddin Tube.
We're so glad you're here.
We are glad you're here. Nana Puddin Tube is going to be a lot of fun today.
Yeah.
We're going to laugh.
Ha ha ha.
We're going to learn.
Goink, goink.
And we're going to talk about all the things that we love most. And you know what I love most?
What?
I love that all of you joined us. My name is Mr. Dennis Lee.
Hello.
Hello. And this is Baby Mickey.
Uh-huh.
But everybody calls him by the name of the food he loves most in all the world, banana pudding.
But I don't call it that.
He doesn't call it that. He calls it...
Nana Puddin.
On the count of three, everybody say, hello, Nana Puddin. 1, 2, 3. Hello, Nana Puddin.
Hello. I'm so glad you're here.
Yeah, because today...
Uh-huh.
Look, we're joined by some of our favorite friends in League City, Texas. All the way from Ralph Parr Elementary School. They're sheltering in place. We're sheltering in place to be safe and to be healthy
Uh-huh.
and to protect ourselves and the people we love. Oh my goodness, but we have certainly been missing you. And I know that all of our Nana Puddin Tubers want to say welcome.
Welcome.
Make sure that you subscribe at the end of the show because you don't want to miss all of our special Nana Puddin episodes.
Yeah.
Ralph Parr Elementary, welcome. And we also want to say a big shout out to your principal, Miss Buckles.
Hello.
And of course, Assistant Principal Miss Tally.
Hello, hello.
And let's not forget your counselor, Miss Stevens.
Oh, she's so good.
Yeah, she is great. We've been missing you and all of your students, so we wanted to give you a little shout out.
Cool.
Cool. And today, I've got to tell you,
What?
it's my favorite show ever. Yep, my favorite show ever.
Ever?
Ever. Do you know why?
No.
Well, I'm going to tell you. This show is called Puppy and Puddin'.
Oh, Tati and Puddin.
That's right, because you get to introduce all of our Nana Puddin Tubers to your puppy dog.
It's going to be awesome.
It is going to be awesome. I know you love your puppy.
Yeah.
Earlier, I had one of his toys.
Uh-huh.
We like to throw this and say, fetch, boy, and then he goes and he gets it
Yeah.
and brings it back to us. Well, today,
Yes.
because we're here on Nana Puddin Tube with Ralph Parr Elementary School in League City, Texas, and all of our Nana Puddin Tubers, we want you to meet Baby Mickey's dog. His name is
Samson.
Samson.
Goliath.
Goliath. Samson because he's strong, and Goliath because he's big.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, Samson Goliath.
Are you there?
We're trying to reach him on Zoom. Are you there?
Oh! Hi there, Puddin'. Are these your friends on the YouTube? My name's Samson Goliath, and I want to say howdy, howdy.
Wow, that is the cutest dog ever.
I know. He's so shiny.
And he's so fluffy,
And he's so furry.
and he's so fun.
And he's so friendly.
He is friendly. Hey, Samson,
Uh-huh.
we want to ask you a question. Well, I was really curious about this, and I'm sure our Nana Puddin Tubers are too. Where were you born?
Yeah. Where were you born?
Where?
Well, Puddin', I was born in the great state of Texas. Deep in the heart of Texas. In the town of Brady. Yep, that's my town. My mama was Stephanie. I want to give her a shout out. Hey, Mama Stephanie. Whoop, whoop. Can I get a...
Brady, Texas.
Yeah. Deep in the heart of Texas.
Hey, guess what, Samson? A lot of our Nana Puddin Tubers are from Texas, but we have other Nana Puddin Tubers from all over America and the world.
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, I have a question.
What?
You know, I love to spend time on Nana Puddin Tube, and I know you like to play ball in the backyard.
Yeah.
Why don't you ask Samson Goliath what his favorite thing to do is?
Samson, what's your favorite thing to do?
Yeah, we're really curious.
Well, Puddin', I love to ride around in the car with the window rolled down so I can bark at the kitty cats on the corner. Hey, kitty! That's so much fun.
Oh my, did he say chase kitty cats?
Uh-huh.
I've seen him do that before.
And sometimes he chases his own tail. Round and around and around and around and around till he goes, whoa!
Samson, there's one question I'd like to ask. If you could say anything to our Nana Puddin Tube viewers, what would you say?
Yeah, what would you say? Go!
Well, Puddin', you're one cute little monkey. That's an awesome question. What would I like to tell your viewers? Oh, I know. Here we go. Wash your paws, change your drawers, embrace your beauty and your flaws. That's what I'd say. Pretty good, huh? And I guess I want to say, if you want to know what's up, just ask your pup. We're always here, and we love you. And I'm gonna say, woo woo.
That was awesome advice.
Uh-huh. Wash your paws, change your drawers, embrace your beauty and your flaws.
Yeah, those are awesome words to live by. Wash your paws, change your drawers, embrace your beauty and your flaws. Yeah, I think that could help me today. Yeah, I'm so glad that all of our friends joined us here today to see Samson Goliath, your puppy dog,
It was Poppy.
and Puddin'.
Dun-dun.
I'm so glad that our friends from Ralph Parr Elementary School in League City joined us as well, and all of our Nana Puddin' Tubers. If you want us to give you a
Shout out.
right here on Nana Puddin' Tube, all you have to do is leave us your
Name,
or the name of your
school,
or your
organization.
at dennisleelive@gmail.com, and we'll give you a
Shout out.
remember, boys and girls, when life
Was you bananas?
don't freak out, just make a little. Hey, make sure you stick around to the end of every video and subscribe, because today we want to say from Samson and from us. See you soon.
See you soon.
Ooh, that was a lot of fun. Let's go chase with
But there's one more thing you must never forget. If you run out of Nana Puddin', just make some more of it. Make some more, make some more of Nana Puddin'. Oh, make some more, make some more of Nana Puddin'. Oh, make some more, make some more of Nana Puddin'. Oh, make some more.